Now, how you can promote ClickBank products as an affiliate in 2026 with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, we're also running Meta, Facebook ads, but in this case, I'm going to talk about Google pay-per-click ads. So if you're someone who has tried ClickBank affiliate marketing in the past, maybe you bought courses, you lost money, and now in 2026 you want actual results, then watch until the end, okay? Now, let me show you first of all what I do as a super affiliate, as someone who is making thousands of dollars a day with ClickBank affiliate marketing and CPA offers is this, right? Before I promote a product, I know every guru will tell you go and check the gravity, which I would not do, okay? Because you don't actually know where the traffic is coming from. Mostly it's coming from email marketing, which I don't do. Me as a super affiliate, I run traffic straight to quiz funnels and advertorials, okay? So as you can see over here, let me show you. If I go to, let's say, to self-help, okay, so I'm going to click on self-help. You see, I'll see different offers here. Now, first of all, as a super affiliate, I want to know who is my audience on a deeper psychological level. During AI age, right? Everyone is talking about AI hype. AI will do the work for you, which is not true, okay? It's overrated. Yes, AI and ChatGPT can help you as a tool, but it will not do the work for you if you don't know what you don't know. If you don't know the psychology of ads, if you don't know the structure of ads, if you don't know the positioning of ads, you'll not be able to get results. All right, so that's the most important thing. Now let me show over here, okay? Let me choose one offer. Let me have a look, okay? Let's say in dating in relationship space. So, okay, I see they are paying the good commissions and I'll click just for an example. I click on the offer and I will check the sales page first of all. Okay, I check sales page because I want to know who is the audience. Okay, who is this message for? Message to the market match. It's very important. So I will go through it. I will go to the text presentation. Okay, I will click through it, check everything. Right, go through sales page. 80% is the research. I will do it myself. Okay, and then what I do next is I will set up the landing page, pre-sale page, adverts, right? And include 5 stages of pre-selling, which is really, really important, okay? It's not about psychology here. So let me show you over here what we do. First of all, I check market sophistication level, okay? Then I do my positioning angles and the core mechanism. That's the most important thing I do. Now the next thing when Google pay-per-click ads is this, right? There are 2 types of clickers. There are buyers clicks, people who are paying with credit cards, debit cards, who are buying weight loss supplements and Nutra, who are paying for digital products, and then there are time wasters, which we call curiosity clickers. Now, if you have bought guru courses on ClickBank, I know they told you in the course to buy and to create weird, ugly images to get huge click-through rate, big click-through rate. But let me tell you the secret. The money is not in click-through rate. Because if you have the wrong type of audience clicking your ads, you're losing money. Okay? It's simple as that. In 2026, as you watch this video, okay, you need to have people who are already problem and solution aware. Because people only and only buy when they are in the solution seeking state. And that's why I like to go to Google. For example, here with Google pay-per-click ads, I type in the keywords that are targeting solution seeking audience. I have the right type of landing page. It's very important, okay? You cannot copy and paste this. Yes, once you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you exactly how it's done, then of course you can start having really great results. So as you can see, step 1, Google ad, simple as that. Step 2, we send them from Google ad to our quiz funnel, and from quiz to VSL or sales page on ClickBank, where they pay you affiliate money, affiliate commissions, right? So you can see over here, right? Why quiz funnels? When they are done correctly, again, when they are done correctly, you have to have the right type of quiz funnel. If you just throw some bunch of questions with zero purpose, with zero buyer's intent, you will get zero results. Easy as that, okay? So if you're asking yourself, why some people can make, like myself, $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day, and others cannot even make $1 a day, it's not your fault, okay? It's because you have been following maybe outdated methods that used to work years ago, and it's not your fault. But once you have the right strategy, the right methodology, fundamentals, you will be able to naturally get results. Okay? Because quiz funnels should identify people so they come to their own conclusion and discovery. All right? So that's the big psychological tip that I can give you. Let me show you here. If you send 500 buyers clicks to your affiliate link, you can see daily ClickBank results. Okay? Again, it's about buyers clicks and curiosity clickers. You want buyers clicks. All right? Now let me show you over here. On Google, there are 14 billion searches every day, meaning people are looking for solutions every day on Google. Don't have to believe me, Google it. Okay? How to lose weight, how to find a good partner in dating, in a relationship niche, how to treat diabetes, woodworking, solar panel, travel. I don't know, so many different niches out there where you can be making money today as you watch this video, okay? Now again, all it takes is all easy and simple steps. Okay, 3 easy simple steps. Step 1 is we pick a profitable, proven, hot ClickBank offer that's proven to work. Okay, we plug in a simple page, quiz funnel, and add your affiliate link using our template, right? Which is actually about, again, emotional levels of audiences. If people don't talk about this, okay, then don't listen to them, because it's not about AI. People are selling you some AI software that doesn't work, okay, in action. That's very important, action and theory. So in action, it's all about people. It's safe to say people are buying ClickBank products, not AI chatbot or robot. All right? People, human beings like me and you watching this video right now. So it's safe to say psychology works on a deeper marketing level, okay? We run Google pay-per-click ads. You can start with as low as $5 to $10 a day, targeting buyers, clicks, buyers intent, okay? You can see here's what people just like you watching this video are already doing with this system. Daily results, you do it one-on-one. You can see over the Zoom call, not a course, but over the Zoom call. All right, you can see set up the affiliate Google ad campaign together one-on-one. Now, thanks to affiliate marketing, I was able to travel to now 70 countries. Okay, 70 countries thanks to promoting CP offers, ClickBank affiliate offers out there. Now, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take this really seriously, okay? If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, yes, you can manage Google ad campaign, all right? So as you watch this video, if you want to connect with me one-on-one, only if you're serious, if you're an action taker, not excuse maker, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number. Yes, correct. My personal cell phone number, my Instagram, my email, my Facebook Messenger, all under this video in the description. But only reach out to me if you're serious in 2026, if you want true results, if you have some money to invest in yourself and actually start getting results that you deserve.